Hi traders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be talking about how do you sell options on an expiry day and how do you sell it with confidence. इस वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगी कि एक्सपायरी वाले दिन बैंक निफ्टी के ऑप्शंस को कैसे सेल किया जाए, क्या स्ट्राइक प्राइस लिया जाए और कैसे कॉन्फिडेंस रखा जाए कि ये स्ट्राइक प्राइस पे सेल करने से आपको प्रॉफिट हो गई होगा। तो देर आर टू पार्ट्स। आप लोग इस वीडियो को कैसा लाइक करेंगे उसके ऊपर दूसरा पार्ट डिपेंड करेगा जो इस टेक्निक को नेल करेगा, राइट? ये वाला पार्ट मैं आपको दे रही हूँ जस्ट टू सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट यू पीपल हैव। अगर आप लोग इसको लाइक करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, मैं इसका सेकंड पार्ट दूंगी जो कि इसको बैंग ऑन आपको बताएगा ये कि क्या करने से एग्जैक्टली आपको पता होगा कि मार्केट किस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है। ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं। और इसमें मैं एक सिंपल सा, आप जीरोधा के इंडिकेटर्स में जाइए या आप ट्रेडिंग व्यू के इंडिकेटर्स में जाइए या किसी जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं आप, अपस्टॉक्स, फायर्स, आस्था, व्हाटएवर, आप उसमें जाके इचिमोकू को लगाइए। ये इचिमोकू क्लाउड है, इसको लगाइए, राइट? आपके सामने इचिमोकू क्लाउड लग जाएगा। अभी आपको देखने में बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लग रहा होगा, राइट? मैं इतना कॉम्प्लिकेशंस नहीं चाहिए मुझे, मैं इसको सॉर्ट आउट करूंगी, बट उससे पहले मैं आपको क्या बोलना चाहती हूँ कि एक पूरा सिस्टम होता है। इचिमोकू क्लाउड इज अ जापानीज सिस्टम और इसमें क्या है कि पास्ट इंफॉर्मेशन, स्टॉप लॉस, टारगेट सब आपको मिलता है। कैसे मिलता है, क्यों मिलता है, वो मैं थोड़ा और डिटेल में आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो बनाऊंगी। मैंने अपने मेंबर्स के लिए तो वीडियो बना रखा है, बट नॉट ऑन अ पब्लिक फोरम, बट स्टिल आई विल ट्राई टू मेक वन। बट अब मैं इसको थोड़ा इजी करने के लिए, जस्ट सो दैट आई हैव लिटिल नॉट सो मच ऑफ कंफ्यूजन, मैं इसकी सेटिंग्स में जाऊंगी। ठीक है, इस सेटिंग्स में जाके मुझे क्या करना है, मेरे को इतना कॉम्प्लिकेशंस नहीं चाहिए। तो जस्ट फॉर क्लैरिटी आई एम गोना डिलीट टॉप के जो तीन इंडिकेटर्स है, तीन जो टिक्स है, इनको मैं हटा दूंगी। ठीक है, और ओके कर दूंगी। अब मेरे को क्या दिख रहा है मेरी स्क्रीन पे, एक क्लाउड दिख रहा है, जस्ट क्लाउड, राइट? एक ग्रीन कलर का क्लाउड है, दैट मींस मार्केट इज अप ट्रेंडिंग। एक रेड कलर का क्लाउड है, वो बताता है मुझे कि मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है। टाइम फ्रेम मैंने रखा हुआ है 5 मिनट का। दोज हु वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड इन इंग्लिश, इट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो, so I'm going to speak about it in both the languages. What did I do? I went to the settings. In settings, I removed the top 3 ticks. What I'm left with is cloud and the price. Now, the green cloud is simply meaning that the price is in the upward direction. The red cloud simply means the price is in the downward direction, right? Now, what you have to do, I just want to take you back and show how beautiful it works. At least option selling can be easily done, right? So as I discussed with you कि टाइम फ्रेम हमने 5 मिनट रखा हुआ है और हमने इसमें से जो टॉप के 3 टिक्स हैं उनको हटा दिया है ताकि हमारी पिक्चर बहुत क्लीन आ जाए। अब सिंपल सा रूल है, अगर आपको ऑप्शन सेल करना है तो आपको वेट करना है प्राइस टू स्टे आइदर अबव और बिलो द क्लाउड। क्लाउड के ऊपर रहे या प्राइस क्लाउड के नीचे रहे, क्लाउड के बीच में आपको कुछ नहीं करना है। क्लाउड के ऊपर या क्लाउड नीचे, क्लाउड या तो सपोर्ट होना चाहिए या क्लाउड रेजिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, राइट? Cloud should be either support or cloud should be either resistance. Now see, look at the situation today. This is where price did nothing, right? It was in alongside the cloud. Then price came down and here is the resistance, and this is a place where all the past resistances have been broken. आराम से आप लोग 14,600 की, फिर 14,500 की कॉल ऑप्शन को सेल कर सकते हैं। I did the same thing. I sold the call option. You can see it here. I sold the call option of Bank Nifty 4,500 and it became zero. Just see here how it just kept on going in the downward direction. It became zero, right? So very simple strategy. There is not much rocket science here. You can take a confirmation by applying the cloud, the Ichimoku cloud to the call option as well, because if you want to sell, if you think the price is below the cloud, means आपको sell करना है. And in this case, what will you be selling? Call option. So you will put the chart on the call option as well. If the price of call option is below the cloud, just close your eyes and sell it. our selling would have initiated somewhere here at this point, this place, somewhere here, right, which is 150 or 150 something, and it became zero after that. I'm going to take you to the last expiry, which was on 23rd of February, and we'll see what happened in Bank Nifty. So this is Bank Nifty's expiry last Thursday, which is 23rd of February. See how the Bank Nifty, this is how the Bank Nifty opened, right? 9:15, if you see, this is how the first candle formed. ये 9:15 की पहली candle है, cloud के नीचे है, right? We will only be trading after 10 o'clock. So price went up from here till the cloud, and from the same place, which is 40,150, which is the high of, which is the past resistance, it took resistance and came down. अगर आप यहाँ ट्रेड नहीं लेना चाहते मत लीजिए, लेट द प्राइस कम बिलो द क्लाउड. आप 40,000 के नीचे आप सेल कर सकते हैं, और उस दिन की क्लोजिंग कहाँ पे हुई है? क्लोजिंग भी अराउंड उसी जगह पे हुई है. मतलब 40,000 को अगर आपने कभी सेल किया होता, यहाँ पे आप बुक भी कर सकते थे. जब निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी करीब 20-25 मिनट तक यहाँ पे घूमी है, आप इसको सेल कर सकते हैं ऑन एन एक्सपायरी डे. द प्रीमियम्स विल मेल्ट लाइक एनीथिंग. और यहाँ पे अगर ये ऊपर चला जाता है, आप इसी प्राइस का, इसी कॉस्ट का, विच इज 40,000 का कॉल ऑप्शन सेल कर सकते हैं. On an expiry date, this will at least get you 50 rupees or 40 rupees. Like today, I sold 40,500 call option at about 40 rupees, and I closed it at about 3 rupees. So that's the money I just captured in the last few minutes. Then similarly, let me take you to the expiry before that. So this is the graph of 16th February. This is the first candle. So see, whenever you want to sell the options, just observe the picture for about 1.5 hours. There is no 920 strategy that I want to suggest you. I want to suggest you to watch the price for some time, right? After that, see how it starts, whether it's going in the upper direction or downward direction. Is the price weakening? If you see here, the price is becoming weaker and weaker. Over here, it took a support, went up, right? But there is nowhere it took a support from the cloud and went up. So it took a support from here, went till this point. Here it took a resistance. I will not initiate any trade. It came down, took a resistance from cloud. ये जगह पे 250 पे आप 41,755 की कॉल को सेल कर सकते हैं, और see that became zero. Within few minutes that will become zero, and this must be about at least if I'm understanding my calculation is correct, it should be around 150 rupees. Within few minutes you will be able to get 150 rupees by option selling. So very simple and straightforward method. Even on an like on a Wednesday, you can make good money by selling options. So simple strategy, like here, if you see yesterday, easily you can sell 40,500 put, and when it goes up, you will see a premium melting. So whenever price takes a support from the cloud, you can sell the put option. Whenever it takes a resistance from the from the cloud, you can sell a call option. There is something a lot more fine tuning that I do so that I get a bank on trade. And if you all give your love, affection and respect to this video, I will make you another video which will kind of nail the whole strategy. Maybe two more, maybe three more part of this video. Like first I'll explain you what is Ichimoku Cloud. Then I will explain you how does it help you in finding out good trade. And then I will tell you the second part of this, which is kind of nailing the whole strategy. So as of now, I made it very, very simple for you. Just look at the support and the resistance from the cloud. If you see a clear resistance or clear support, you can sell the put option. I'm not talking about buying at this point of time. For example, the price is up, right? So you know the market is heading up. Then it comes down, takes a support from here, and then goes up. So you can sell easily put here, which will be at this point of time having huge premium because it has fallen some bit. The put will have a lot of premium. Sell the put option and you will easily be able to make 150 points. Okay. Similarly here, the price is above, right? Price is up. And when it takes a support, you can sell this call up, this put option, and you will be able to make money. Similarly, when it takes a resistance, for example, this place, at this place, see here, I'll just mark it for you. A lot of you complain कि आपका cursor नहीं दिखता है. यहाँ पे देखिए price नीचे आया, right? So always remember, in Bank Nifty we react to whatever is happening, right? We don't initiate it. We don't have any ability to initiate the trade. It came down the cloud and then took a resistance. यहाँ पे resistance लिया, you can sell its call option and make good money. Why am I selling? Why am I insisting on selling? Because it's possible that it may go up and down for a few more minutes. Momentum may not come immediately, but resistance means there is a possibility that crossing this bridge, this cloud, is going to be very difficult. Hence, selling the call option is a very good idea in using Ichimoku cloud. So anyway, this is what I wanted to share. Like, for example, here the price is above the cloud, it comes down, takes a support and then goes up. So whenever it takes a support or resistance from the cloud, that is our trade. That is the trade we would like to do. But whenever it crosses the cloud, that's not our trade. We'll wait for it to take a resistance, and that is going to be our cloud. Like, this is a trade. Price is above and it takes a support on the cloud. This is where you can sell easily 40,500 call option. And see here, it just went up. Taking support or resistance from cloud is extremely important. For example, here price is coming down, goes up and takes a resistance. This is our trade. Okay, so hope you will do the back testing and find out on your own what is correct. Like, for example, here price has come down. Price has come down, this is no trade for us. But when it goes up and takes a resistance, when it goes up and takes resistance, that is our trade, right? It goes up and takes a resistance. This is our trade. So if you want to capture this on an expiry, sell option, you will be able to make good money. So this is one strategy, but there are 3 more parts lined up. In case you show your respect, love and affection to this video, I'll make the rest of 3 parts. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.